So today we have demo for class 6 science. If you have any question or any doubt you have, you can stop me there only and you can ask any question. Okay. So we will discuss about motion and measurement of distance. Okay.
Priyanka, ma'am, you are not audible. Are you saying something?
Ma'am, just give me one.
Hafzal, Iridza, can I request you to keep your videos on if possible?
I'm not getting any response from Hafzal, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. You can begin with ma'am. Hafzal is
Hafzal
here.
is here. Okay. So today we will discuss about motion and measurement of distance. So what we will learn in this session, we will have a brief history of transport. We will learn about the standard and the non-standard unit of measurements. Okay, we will understand how to take correct measurement and how to take measurement of curved lines. Okay, apart from that, we will try to understand what are the different types of motions. Okay, so starting with the history. So all of us know that in the beginning, there was no means of transport. Okay, people used to move from one place to another by walking itself. Okay, and sometimes they used to use their domestic animals to carry their loads. Okay, and after some time they tried starting moving from one place to another by waterways. Okay, they used to prepare raft, boats to move from one place to another. Then a revolution came. They knew they invented wheels. Okay, so once the wheels were invented, their life became more easy. They tried to prepare bullock carts, and in the bullock carts they used to move from one place to another. Revolution came in the beginning of 19th century. What happened? Steam engine came into existence. So when the steam engine came into existence, people's life became more and more easy. Okay, it was much more convenient to move from one place to another, right? Okay, so we will understand what is measurement. So measurement is comparing of unknown quantity with some known quantity. I'll give you an example. You went to a market and you wanted to purchase 1 kilogram of tomatoes. Okay, I'll request Arpan, Hafzal, if you can unmute your, I want response from your side also. Am I audible, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so suppose you went to a market to buy to purchase 1 kilogram of tomatoes. So the 1 kilo of tomatoes, you know the quantity. You need 1 kilos of tomatoes. So here in measurement, you have two parts here. One part is the number, and the other part is the measurement. What is the number? Number is 1 kilos. You don't know how many tomatoes will come in 1 kilo. In that case, you need a beam balance, right? You need a beam balance, and your 1 kilogram, the number is the known quantity, and the unit of measurement is 1 kg. Kg is the unit of measurement. Okay. So what do we measure? We measure different things. We measure time, we measure length, area, capacity, volume, weight. We measure everything. We need certain instruments to measure all this. Okay, coming to measurement of length. So measurement of length, we measure, we will understand some of the non-standard units of measurement. Okay, so these are called arbitrary units. Why it is called as arbitrary units, we will discuss. Let's see what are the different non-standard units of measurement. Non-standard units of measurement are handspan, cubit, arm span, pace, foot space. Okay, so what is handspan? Handspan is the length from your middle finger to the tip of your little finger. Okay, this is handspan. Okay, cubit is from your elbow to the tip of your middle finger. So why these units are known as arbitrary units? Because these units are known as non-standard or arbitrary because it will differ from person to person, right? My handspan will be different from yours, isn't it? Arpan, Hafzal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So my handspan will be different from yours. So that's why these are non-standard. Okay. When the measurement is not a standard, then we call it as non-standard or arbitrary units. Okay. Coming to the standard units. Standard units are different types of devices are there. Scale is there. Measuring tapes are there. So for different purposes, we use different types of standard units. Okay, so we use meter scale for measuring length, right? Coming to measurement system. So in 1970, the standard unit of measurement called the metric system. Metric system is the standard unit of measurement. Okay, for what are the standard units of measurement? Let's see. It's MK system and CGS system. Okay, MK system, from this MK system you can understand M is for meter, it is to measure the length, K is kilogram, it is used to measure weight, and S is second, it is used to measure second. So MK system and CGS system, C for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. So MK system and CGS system are the metric system of measurement. Okay, apart from that, other systems are also there. FPS system is other system. So for FPS, it is foot, pound, and second. Same here. Foot is for measurement of length, pound is for measurement of weight, and S second is measurement of time. Okay. Okay. Coming to the basic unit, the SI system unit is the standard unit of measurement. So let's understand what are the different, the quantity and the units that are used to measure different things. For length, the SI unit is meter. For mass, the SI system is kilogram. For temperature, the SI system is Kelvin. For time, the SI system, the unit is for any intensity and intensity. Arpan, you want?
Yes.
Please.
Ma'am, when we measuring a hand span, ma'am, from where we are measuring it?
From the tip of your thumb to the tip of your middle finger. Okay, clear? Okay. So now what we see that measuring of a straight line is easy. Okay, but measuring a curved line is difficult. So how do we measure the length of a curved line? So suppose here is a curve. Here we have a curved line. Okay, this. So how do we measure it? Two methods are there. One method is we can use a piece of thread. Okay, what we will do? We will take a piece of thread and we will place the thread here in the starting point of the line, curved line. Okay, we will put the thread. Oh, just give me a minute. Suppose this is a curved line. Okay, and what we will do? We will take a thread. We will put at this end of the line, this starting point of the line, and we will put the thread nicely just above the line, and we will take a measurement of this thread, and then we will put with a standard system, with a standard scale or something or a measuring tape, we will measure the length of the thread. Okay, like this we can measure the length of a curved line. Another method we can use is like, suppose this is a curved line. Okay, we can use a divider. We can use a divider and we will measure the diameter of the divider as like suppose 1 centimeter. Okay, so for this curved line, we will divide the curved line into equal divisions. Okay, and then with the divider, we will measure how many 1 centimeters are there. Okay, and then we will sum up. For this, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the length of the curved line is 9 centimeter. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Ma'am, what is the divider?
Divider. Okay. Have you seen this in your geometry box? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is a divider. Okay. Using a scale, we will just stabilize the divider like 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, and then we will divide the curved line into equal pieces, and then we will sum up. Okay. Is it clear, Arpan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any question? Afzal, any question? I'm not getting any response. Okay. Coming to distance and displacement, we will understand what is distance and what is displacement. So distance is the length of the actual path between two locations. Okay. And what is displacement? Displacement is the length of the shortest path between two locations. I'll make you understand this. Suppose there are 2 points. This is point A and this is point B. Okay. The distance from A to B, suppose from A, we have to go to this place and C, and then from C to B, we have to come here. So the distance covered from A to B will be AC plus CB. That means we have to calculate the distance between AC and then CB. Then we will get the total distance of these two locations, A and B. Okay, but in case of displacement, displacement is the shortest path. So from what will be the displacement here? Displacement will be AB. This is the shortest path. This is the long path, isn't it? This is the distance covered, and AB is the displacement. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Ma'am, displacement is between A to B.
A to B means it is the shortest path, means the shortest way we can reach. Okay, the shortest way, and the total path from A to B will be the distance covered. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so coming to this is a straight line coming to curved surfaces. Let's see what we will do in case of curved surfaces. In case of curved surfaces, suppose we have
Priyanka ma'am, Afzal
Yes,
is
ma'am.
asking on the chat if you can repeat this, the displacement and the distance.
okay, Hafzal. So distance is the total, the actual path between two locations. Suppose, let me do one thing. Suppose A and B, the path to reach 2 points A and B. To reach A to B, we have a path like this. We have to go to C and then we have to come back to B. Okay, so the distance is from the distance covered is AC plus CB. We have to get the total one, right? From A to C we have to calculate, and from C to B we have to calculate. Then only we will get the total distance covered. Okay, and A to B is the shortest way. Okay, the shortest way. Maybe in between there is a river. In between there is a river. You have to cross the river and then from A to B, we can reach from A to B. Okay. So displacement is like the shortest distance that we can travel. Afzal, is this clear? I'm not getting any response.
It's clear, ma'am. He is writing in chat box actually. He's saying yes.
Okay. Okay. Coming to curved surfaces. Suppose.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible, ma'am. Please.
Yeah, this is for standard second.
No, this for standard 6 science.
Okay. Oh, I thought it's for standard second because we enroll for standard second.
Okay, ma'am. Maybe there is some mistake, I guess.
Ma'am, standard 2 is not today. Standard 2 is on, let me tell you. Standard 2 science is on Saturday, ma'am. Did you get the message for today?
Yeah, but my standard.
Ma'am, is it possible if you can share your number to us so that we will correct this? Can you share your WhatsApp number in chat box and we will correct it?
Okay. Sure. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Priyanka, ma'am, you can please go on.
Yes. So for curved surfaces, what we can do, you can see a circle here. Okay. So for curved surfaces, suppose the distance traveled is from A to B in a curved way. So how can we calculate the distance of a curved surface? We have to calculate pi r. Okay. Pi r is the radius, like this is the radius, and we have to calculate as pi r. Whereas what will be the displacement? Displacement will be radius plus radius, that is 2r. Okay. Is it understood? Is it understood? This is distance.
Ma'am, can you explain once more?
Yes. Can you see the circle here? Can you see the circle here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So but what will be the distance of this curved line to reach from A to B? Okay. What will be the distance traveled? Distance covered will be pi r. Okay. Distance traveled will be pi r. And what is the displacement? Displacement, as I have told you, it is the shortest path. Okay. From A to B. That means 2r. But you know, for circles, suppose this is a circle. This is the radius. Okay. So what will be the displacement? Displacement will be radius plus radius, because we have to take the whole circle, right? That means displacement will be 2r. Okay.
Yes.
Displacement will be 2r.
Yes.
Whereas the distance will be pi r. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.